you hear me, Mahesh?
Yes, yes, I can hear.
How do I call you, Mahesh or?
Mahesh, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, okay, okay. Are you the trainer for
Yes, I am the
this?
trainer.
For
I'm the trainer. Yes,
okay.
I'm instructor. I'm one of your trainer, and my name is Mahesh Kamawat, and
Mm.
I'm your trainer for the same. I have almost 20 years experience into the company CISO and company CTO profile, and I have done CGIT, I have done CISA, CSM, and everything.
Okay.
So, could you? I would like to know something about yourself. What's your exposure? What's your experience? What's your day-to-day work doing it? Which is basically it is. I want that it's relevant to the particular course, CGIT, because it's required 5 years experience. So, what's you doing it, and what's your exposure? What's your expectations? What is your future plans? Do you have anything? Whatever you want to share.
Okay. Currently I work for Central Bank Indonesia. I've been in IT for 24 years. After I graduated bachelor degree in 2001, I work in Accenture, and then I continue my study for master degree, and then in 2006 I work for IT in Bank Mandiri, and then 2009 I moved to Central Bank of Indonesia. I'm doing a lot of project for HR, for ERP, and then the for the past 3 years I work in IT department as a PMO, head of PMO.
Okay,
And yeah,
great.
I want to pursue the CGIT because I want to add experience and certification for IT governance. So because the company every year I have to make one certification, so I have to follow this course, and I have to certified. I mean, I have to take the exam in end of July and June, and end of June this month.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
I have by this course I can get pass the certification.
Okay, okay, Mohammed. Great to know that. Thanks for your informations. Right. So I am very happy that you have good exposure on the particular information security background. You have also doing the PMO work. So that will be very important to understand because I just want to make sure that the candidates have the background should be good because it's like the high level certification of the corporate governance things. So you should be a little bit experience on the background I was that here. So let's welcome Mohammed. So I'm just going to set up the agenda of the meeting. So yeah, if you're talking about health, if you have any questions, anything, you can just come to me, ask me at any point of time. Okay, I'm just going to provide you first of all the topic will be covered, and then I will going to provide you some use case. I will going to provide you some case studies. Okay, and after that I'm going to providing you the use case scenarios. Okay, and
Mm.
like once we have the particular session done, okay, so that I'm just going to provide you like assignments and couple of project work we can doing it. So it's a very it's the course we will going to going it as per the same year. Okay, and CGIT is very important for you. I would say that here because right now you are doing PMO, you have 24 years experience, and right now you are into the IT infrastructure security project. You are doing it, so that is the right options. You can go for it right now.
Okay. Is it also include the exam, the sample of exam, or the
Yes,
simulation for the exam?
simulation is not there actually. I will tell you because ISACA is not gonna providing any kind of simulation, so it's not. But yes, examination questions I will be going to be provide to you. Okay, like what type of examination question, what type of the questions will be coming in the examination. So how do you deal with this kind of questions? So we're going to do the practice couple of questions, okay, after the particular sessions. So we have, it is basically 3 days program, right? So we will going to be doing all those certification questions, or you can say that here any multiple choice questions, and like use case scenarios, and we just going to discuss some case studies, all those things, important things we discuss about on the day 3. Okay, the day 1 basically we will going to be cover the two domains, okay, of CGIT. If you're talking about, okay, this is the two things. Will be, wait a second, I'm gonna showing it too. So we will going to be cover that particular the domains. If you're talking about here, so you can see here governance of IT enterprise and IT resources, we're going to be covered in our day 1, okay, but today. And benefits and realization and risk optimizations we're going to be covered, like we can say covered tomorrow. And then the day 3 basically we're going to be cover all 4 of them. And then we're going to do providing some use cases, provide some case studies. I'm also going to provide you some multiple choice questions, and then mock questions I'm going to providing it, which is going to help you out into the examinations, everything. So that's what the things will be. We're going to go forward. Any questions into the same?
So is it going to be so for these 4 days we are going to cover all of this
Yes, it is the 3 days program. So we're going to be covered in our 3 days all those topics, sir.
in 3 days?
Yeah,
Okay,
three
so
three days.
today until Thursday.
Yeah, today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, so you can say Thursday.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay,
okay.
so that is what the program is all about. And then yes, we have the cover the particular 4 domains. We have internal subdomains will be there. So don't worry, we have enough time for the same. And then we're just going to be talking about some high level concepts, high level understanding we discuss about during this particular sessions. Okay. So as per you talk, as per I'm talking about here, as per ISACA point of view, sir. So you can see that here we have CGEIT course basically. So you can see that here we have particular 5 particular domains we discussed about. We have 4, and then we have 5 number is resource optimizations, risk optimization, like risk management. We have couple of different domain also there, but I'm going to be cover everything. Okay, so you can see that here the first domain we will going to be cover about governance of enterprise IT. What is the percentage is going to be coming into the examination is like 40%, right? And the second we discuss about, sir, it's like IT resources. That's the 15% coverage in the examinations. And then we have benefits realization. It's going to be 26%. And that's a 4 domain is click optimization is 19%, right? So that's what the course is going to be there. And then we have some examinations questions that should be length is 4 hours, 150 questions will be there, and out of 800, 450 should be the correct passing things. Okay, and
So
there's a
sorry, 450.
yeah,
450 for how 150 question. So so how many percent for the passing score?
yeah, 450 out of 800, it should be 450 is a passing score.
450. So is it, do I have to make like uh 60% the correct answer, or
Yeah, yeah, almost 60%. Yes, you're right. Okay, so yeah, don't worry. We have all those things will be, I'm gonna be showing to you. No problem, sir. So let's get going to the same. So this is our course. Okay, things will be there. So in this particular certified in governance of enterprise IT. Okay, so that how do you providing governance to your IT department basically, right? So that is, so first of all we discuss about like introduction about to CGIT, introduction of CGIT certification. So it's a more about the conceptual, the logics, uh, what, and the methodology kind of, what you can say here, certification there. And we have going to be cover like if you're talking about here, so like ITIL, just best practices. We discuss about some frameworks. We discuss about risk management, complete concept. We will going to discuss about right? And then we're going to discuss about like how the basically CGIT gonna be make you the perfect certification you can set here. So we will going to be taking towards okay particular first particular session, and then we can take some 15 minutes break, and then we're going to be go for go for 1 hour session. We taking for then 1 hour is a lunchtime break we have into the same. Okay, so we will going to take 15 minutes break. Once whenever you require, sir, I require some break.
Okay.
Okay, you can just talk to me, sir. No problem at any point of time.
Okay. Okay. In 30 minutes, I have to break because the battery is low. I have to get the adapter in
Yeah.
my room. So because this facility doesn't provide adapter for the power adapter. Okay. So you can continue.
Yeah, sure, Mohammed. You can connect many time. Actually, we are both are in the trainings. Okay, so you are open for any questions to here. It's not about the CGIT, but it is any practical life. You know what you're facing some challenges or anything. So definitely, I will going to provide my input and support to you and any point of things you can say that here. So don't worry about like anything you can say that here. Open for anything. I would say that here
Okay.
because I want like interactive session so that you are basically open for any questions and asking and just clear everything because you are a very experienced professional guy that managing the complete bank of okay so that I understand that you are just going to be lots of things in your mind and then how to be deploy all those things into the same because what happened I generally feel Mohammed that once we have some very experienced professional guys I am going to connecting it, they have lots of things in their mind actually. Okay, so the problem is how to execute in the right manner. That was the thing I would say we should be working over there. Okay,
Okay.
so that's it. So I'm just talking about like I'm just going to provide some brief introduction about the CGIT, sir. What is the CGIT and certification course, and what should be the certification requirement? What's the syllabus? What should be the benefits? Okay, of certification or overview of the CGIT salary kind of things. What is a CGIT certification costing parameters, and then what is examination format will be coming over there, CGIT course job opportunities in the market, and who is the right person to doing all those kind of certifications basically. So that's a basic things that you should clear in your mind, clear your thoughts. What I'm gonna doing it, what is important, what is the benefit about the certifications, and where it is best fits in my requirement actually. Right. So this is what we have just the agenda I'm just going to discuss about over there. Okay. So if you're talking about some introduction of CGIT, ISACA's certified in governance of enterprise IT is a framework and the only IT governance certifications. Okay. So basically it's going to providing it's managing, direct, directing and supporting it. So the very important question I'm just going to be interacting to you same time that what do you mean by the frameworks? Any particular things? So this is like a frameworks. We have you heard so many times, Muhammad, like compliances, regulations, the frameworks. What this does it mean, and what are the different kind of frameworks in the market right now, and what's the importance of the frameworks if you're talking about here in general words?
Yeah. Yeah. Frameworks is like a general practice that can be applied to a company to follow. I think just like COVID or some of the other framework. Is that correct?
Yeah, is correct. But I have to add something into the same dear. Okay, like framework is generally you can say that here is like a structured approach. Okay, of a set of guidelines you can start here. Okay, like Mahesh, we have some COBIT. Okay, and then we
Mm.
talking about some NIST, MITRE framework. Okay, CIS control frameworks. Okay, this is very important. So like a couple of things before the you understand all those fundamental things, dear. So in this market, dear, CGIT is one of the framework, my dear. Okay. So example I'm talking to you is
Ada. And it's okay. Yes, yes, nice
Yes, beverage down.
development. What? Cybersecurity framework, development framework, cloud framework. Oh, so a lot of
Okay. Yes.
framework, you mean?
Yes, Mohammed. I will going to provide you each and every information. Okay, take it
Okay,
easy.
just call me Daniel. Usually my friend call me Daniel. Okay.
Daniel. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a short name actually. Okay, Daniel. So, Daniel, I would say we have a couple of different kind of frameworks in the market right now. Okay, and this is CGIT also the frameworks we have discussed about. Okay, this is for the top management, like governance point of view. We will going to discuss about. But if you are a professional of security, right, and you have lots of experience, so you can see, Mahesh, we have some cybersecurity frameworks. So you can say that here is NIST is basically US based companies. Okay, that's what the framework's gonna using it. The second is Matter Attack Framework. Okay, this is also that how to attacking all those. Okay, like as with cyber criminals are going to be attacking in the company. That's the Might Attack frameworks. They will going to be. You know what? They are going to following it actually. And then we have another control name is CIS control. Okay.
Sorry, Miles, can you make it larger? Larger is too small.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Let me 1 moment. Okay, I'm going to be opening it for you. Oh, Notepad plus plus. Okay, so let me know once you're
Yeah.
able to see.
Okay, now it's okay. Okay.
Okay, so we have the cybersecurity frameworks in the market right now. We have some, if you're talking about, then is like we have some development. Okay, like if you have heard about the Angular
Angular.
frameworks. Okay, that
Okay.
we have some React frameworks in the market, right? Okay, so that's the one, two I remember right now. Okay, we have other also, and then we have some
Uh,
CSA cloud.
how
Cloud.
about the agile and waterfall? Which one is famous framework for agile or waterfall?
Yeah, this is the agile and basically is for the project management point of view. How do you development the project actually? Okay, that's what
So
comes into
so
the
it
like
can it can be
development
applied for
things.
both
It can
agile
be,
and
yeah,
waterfall.
applicable on the mostly on the development kind of things. Okay, like software development kind of things, agile methodology or SDLC models. These are development frameworks is going to be using it actually. But suppose I'm a project manager, right? So I have to okay, deploy the particular migration or you can say frameworks. So I can gonna using it like agile methodology. Okay, so it's like a methodology is all about agile approach so that we have customer what feedback important. Okay, like development work so that you will gonna using it agile things you can set here.
Okay.
Then we have CSA Cloud Security Alliance. Okay, we will discuss about CCM matrix. CCM is also important, and we have some Azure security benchmark. That is the one kind of things. And if you're talking about from compliance point of view, sir, so we have ISO 27K. I remember I